Welcome. Today, we learn how to group elements from multiple arrays based on their position and apply a custom function to combine them. This technique is useful for processing datasets where values need to be aligned by their index. Let's get started. This function allows us to merge multiple arrays, element-wise, and apply a function to each group. If one array is shorter, undefined fills the missing values. This function first checks if the last argument is a function. It then determines the length of the longest array and iterates through the indexes, applying the custom function to merge values accordingly. First, we check if there is a function to apply. Next, we determine the longest array's length to ensure all elements are processed. Finally, we iterate through the arrays, merging values using a custom function if present. This table illustrates how the function works, grouping values by their index. If an array is shorter, undefined values are replaced with default characters, such as B and C. This function is useful in scenarios where data needs to be merged dynamically, such as spreadsheet processing, API data aggregation, and statistical analysis. In summary, this function efficiently merges multiple arrays by their index and applies a custom transformation. It is a flexible tool for processing structured data dynamically. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.